Here we want to factor x cubed plus 8. So let's take a second to recognize that we have the sum of cubes, x cubed plus 2 cubed. So now the formula for a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b, we add the two pieces, times the quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. So we're filling in x and 2 into the a and b of this formula. So it's going to look like x plus 2 times x squared minus x times 2 plus 2 squared. So now all that's left to do is multiply the 2 and the x and then simplify 2 squared. So we have x plus 2 in parentheses times the quantity x squared minus 2x plus 4. And the quadratic that's left over doesn't factor further. So this is applying the sum of cubes formula. Now we want to factor 64y cubed minus 1. Let's start by rewriting this as the quantity 4y cubed minus 1 cubed. So here we need to rewrite 4y in parentheses cubed because we need something cubed minus something cubed to apply the following formula. A cubed minus b cubed is a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So now 4y is in the place of a and 1 is in the place of b, so we'll go ahead and plug them into our formula. So we're going to end up with 4y minus 1 and then 4y in parentheses squared plus 4y times 1 plus 1 squared. And now that we've substituted into this formula, we can clean it up a little bit and leave our answer as 4y minus 1 times 16y squared plus 4y plus 1. And the remaining quadratic does not factor further. That applies to both the sum and difference of cubes. Now a quick note, if you do have to memorize the formulas for the sum and difference of cubes, there is a little acronym that's supposed to help, and it's that whatever the sign is between the cubes, so here subtraction, you keep the same sign, so I'm going to use S for same sign, then the next one is opposite, so it was the same sign, subtraction, and then the opposite sign, addition. And then the sign that goes here is always positive. So sometimes you see this acronym for the sum and difference of cubes as SOAP, because for a cubed plus b cubed, it's a plus b, the same sign, plus, and then a squared, opposite sign would be minus ab, and then always positive, b squared.